What's up? You know who it is. BW, BW. I'm back. This ain't really an update or whatever. This is an update of what I got. And recently, just flew off. I got this thing right here. They called it a sports cap thing. It's not like a do-rag. It's like like a jogging type material. Yeah, but I don't like it. Then I got a do-rag, skull cap thing. And I don't know if it's okay to put these on dreads because it's for wave. And I need somebody to answer me back about that. But it is tight. But yeah, hit me back if you know if I could use this or not. Or sleep in it. But yeah, until next time. I'm getting my head twisted on the 19th. So I have one then. I'm out.